now we are seeing that the voltage when there is no flow of water inside the pipe is around 2.5. So and the voltage is stable because no water is flowing inside the pipe. Now I'm going to turn on the motor in order for the water to flow inside the pipe. So now the water is flowing inside the pipe, and you can see the sudden change in the output of the sensor, indicating that there is a pressure and indicating that there is a flow of water inside the pump. So now to see how the output of the sensor is changing, I'm going to put a leak inside the system and the pipe, a small amount of leak. So you see that the output of the sensor is going to change. So it's inversely proportional to the pressure inside the pipe. So the voltage increased, indicating that there is a leak happened inside the